Well, good day, everyone. Hope everybody had a good New Year's. I know this is a little bit late. It's February. I'm just going here to let y'all know. If you can see here, there's a bike missing. And right over here, this is my new 2024 Chieftain Dark horse. I'll explain to you why I got this one and why the other one is not in my garage. I do have the Indian motorcycle pipes with tips. I didn't upgrade to anything louder. I like everything a little bit quieter, but not too quiet, but just so I can hear my stereo and hear myself think. This is very nice. 116 cubic inch, 126 pounds of torque. It comes with a 7-inch powered ride command and turn-by-turn navigation, customized Bluetooth screen, connectivity and more, factory installed ride command plus modem for 1 free year with live weather. After 1 year, if you want to continue all this, well, some of these features, it's $100. Yeah, baby. I'll let you know what I upgraded this bike, what I installed. I know I didn't do a pre-installment. What I did, have the running lights, the Zero Fang. That's very easy to install. Comes with the LED lights. This doesn't light up, but it will soon. Comes with the 116 air cleaner that I did not install. It was a dealer. But all in all, it's a beautiful bike. I installed that Clockworks windshield. Has a nice touch to it. It's smooth. The one that came with it is clear, but it's really small. So I wanted something to protect me a little more from the wind. It comes with a power band, speakers and stereo, 400 watts of sound with LED lights. And also install the Zero bag lights. Very easy to install. Just follow instructions. Actually, just about anybody can do this. Let me give this a start. That's a cold start. I also installed, oops, I got it locked. It also comes with a remote locking bags. I installed these liners in here. I'm not quite done yet, but I placed them in here for now. Kept things from not to rattle too much in there. Also protects my plastic in here. Very nice, very nice. I like that. As of now, kind of like this. No, I do like this. I do like the classic look of the gauges with some modern look. The chrome. Not chrome. It's black data here, shiny. With a USB port. Very nice. Very nice. I like that. I like that. But other than that, oh yes, and this right here is the meat hooks set-up bed protector. Easy to install. Right there, right there. I might black that out right there. I might change these to pegs to something else. I'll probably change these out also too. But for now, it's all good for now. It comes with this also. I'll take this out. How's that? It comes with a stage 1. But let's see how it looks more here. See, it's not too loud. I like it. Nice and smooth. Well, just to let you guys know what I have, okay? A little bit on and video. I'll let you know what happened to my 2017 Chieftain Elite. So to let you guys know, I'll talk to you later. Remember, get out there and ride. And ride. Enjoy. You never know how long we'll be here on Earth.